This is TCL for the SE, and today I would like to show how you can add an event to calendar on this device. So first step is to launch, the calendar app, obviously. Then you gotta select the date you would like to set your event on. So let me pick some date on June. Then once the date is successfully selected, hit this plus icon over here, choose an event option from the list, fill out all the event details such as its name, time frames, time zone, repetitiveness or reoccurrence if that's something that will happen on some regular basis. Then you can invite some other participants, add the link to the video conferencing, set location for this event, then you can set your reminding or notification preferences, thus making extra sure that you will not forget about this undoubtedly important event. Then you can pick the color this event will have inside the calendar. You can also write the description or attach a file. Then hit the save button, and here is the event. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.